Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. We're doing a Christmas in July 2020. Our hosts today are Keri from Mama Dares to DIY. I just can't even begin to tell you how fabulous this woman is. She is just the best. And also by Keisha from Sweet Urban Rose. She is one talented lady. You need to check out her channel. Well, I thought, what can I do? And I thought, okay, I have these blocks, I have this sign, and I'm going to put them together. So I first off started painting the sign with the chalk paint, painted it white. Once I get everything out of my way, okay, here goes the second coat. Sure, I get the edges. Okay, I have these blocks that I got from a friend. She sells things in the marketplace, and so I buy a lot of things from her. So it's just a very upcycling. I'm taking the blocks so they have a letter standing on the outside. And I'm gluing them down with my Gorilla hot glue. I put 8 on the bottom to start out with. You can see I'm turning them all on a little bit of an angle. Now I'm putting the second row up. I just get the best stuff from my friend Jen. She just gives and sells me the greatest stuff. And even if I can't use it at the time, I just always know it's something to put in my stash. And I've had these in my stash probably for about 2 years. Wait till you see the tray that they came in, what I'm going to do with it. And here goes the third row. They're falling. You can see I just kind of slide them in between other blocks. Set them back a little bit so they'd be tiered. And one more for the very top. Sorry, it's out of camera range. But it's an R standing for reindeer. You can see the picture of the reindeer. So, I thought I'd got the video of me putting the characters on, and I guess I didn't record it. So I got this Alice in Wonderland set from my friend. When her father died, she was clearing out the house, and she knew I didn't have very many ornaments because of our fire that destroyed everything, so she gave me a box of ornaments, and a lot of them were Disney characters, and there were some Alice in Wonderland characters in there, and I kept on to them just thinking they'd be really cool for something, and I wanted to do something special with them. And then I got a bag of ornaments from Jen, and all these ornaments were probably in at least the 80s, and a lot of them were priced like $1.46. And they had Humpty Dumpty, as you can see, and the old woman who lived in the shoe. And right there you can see Jack Be Nimble and the 3 kittens who lost their mittens. And you can see Pinocchio. So I have a lot of fairy tale characters on here, and I put some small trees on, small bottle brush trees, and I'm taking a pick apart and tucking in greenery. Okay, you can see Alice there above the bee and the Mad Hatter. And next to Alice is the Queen, and on top is the rabbit. And I'll show you that in a minute. But anyway, I'm taking some pics and I'm tucking them in where I think they'll look good. And then I'll glue them down. Don't you hate it when you think you're getting footage and you think you've got the video on and you don't? Ugh, so frustrating. Oh, and I took some half round balls and put them on the bottom for feet. Got them tucked up there. You can see Humpty Dumpty up there. I'm taking some berries and adding berries that were on the pick. These are the same blocks I used as when I made my little sea. And I didn't put them on, but I thought maybe some little jingle bells would be cute on there. Tell me what you think, if I should end up adding some jingle bells to it. Just keep your eye out when you go thrifting to see if you can find some blocks to make something of your own. Even if you don't have the same products I do, maybe it can give you an idea to do something fun. I mean, you could put little Hello Kitty characters on it. Or, anything. Anything would be just really fun. Matchbox cars would be fun. Any kind of toys would be just fun to do on it. It's amazing what you can craft from your stash once you get looking at it. Okay, here it is all done. Now you can see the rabbit on top. Oh, yes, there's a gingerbread man also. Oh yeah, Jack and Jill went up the hill. And to all my subscribers, I appreciate each and every one of you. And I appreciate that you're helping me build up the channel. I was thinking once I get to 500, and I'm almost to 300, only a couple more hundred away, I'll be doing a giveaway. And let me know if you think even giving away one of my projects would be a great idea. Alice's little bottle says, "Drink me." There we go, we're getting a better look at the white rabbit. And again, I want to thank you for tuning in. This was a fun collab. And don't forget to go visit Mama Dares to DIY and Sweet Urban Rose. Fantastic ladies. Bye for now.